Shenzhen UNIONTENDA Technology Co., Limited. It currently has more than 100 employees, an annual output value of over 100 million yuan, and an independent industrial park covering an area of more than 10,000 square meters. It is a specialized and national high-tech enterprise that dedicated to the R&D, production and sales of thermal conductive, electric conductive, absorbent, adhesive and other materials. The company has a professional polymer material technical team, with advanced testing center and R&D lab, and all kinds of testing instruments are available, equipped with multiple high-specification clean workshops, automatic metering and feeding systems, and multiple fully automatic thermal conductive material production lines. The company has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, IET F16949 Management System certification, more than 10 authorized invention patents. UNIONTENDA's core products include thermal pad, thermal gel, RTV silicone, thermal grease, thermal potting glue, thermal absorbing pad, thermal silicone film, thermal ceramic pad, phase change materials, conductive silicone rubber, etc. Serves more than 600 large and medium-sized companies all over the world, including Philips, Bosch, Samsung, Xiaomi, Emerson, Schneider, Panasonic, TP-Link, etc. Thanks for watching.